In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Zoho CRM. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer to this customer relationship management tool, organizing your tasks effectively can greatly streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Let's dive in and transform your task management process within Zoho CRM. First, you'll want to navigate to either the Activities or the Tasks tab within your CRM interface. Depending on your specific setup or preferences, these tabs might be placed differently in your dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you need to. Once you're in the right tab, look for the option that either says New Task or Create Task. This is the button you'll click to start setting up your task. Once you've initiated the task creation, it's time to fill in the task details. The first field you'll encounter is the task owner. This is an important decision as it determines who in your team will be responsible for executing and managing this task. Make sure to choose the right person or team member carefully based on their current workload and their expertise. Next, you'll need to input the subject. This is essentially the name of the task. Keep it concise, yet descriptive enough for anyone who looks at it to understand what the task entails. For example, instead of just writing follow-up, you might specify it as follow-up with lead from XYZ conference. This clarity will help in the long run, especially when juggling multiple tasks. After naming your task, setting the due date is crucial. The due date indicates when this task needs to be completed by. Pairing this with an appropriate status, such as in progress or pending, helps you and your team track the progress and ensures accountability. You also have the option to assign a priority level. Is this urgent, or can it be slotted into regular workflows? Setting this appropriately will prompt team members to allocate their efforts effectively. Then you'll move on to the Related To section. This field is where you associate the task with a specific lead, contact, account, or deal. This linkage helps maintain consistency within your records and ensures that relevant information is easily accessible to all stakeholders involved. Finally, consider using the optional fields to enhance the task's utility further. You might want to set a reminder, choose a repeat frequency if it's a recurring task, or enter a detailed description that outlines specific instructions or expectations. Once you've reviewed all the details and ensured accuracy, click the Save button. This will finalize your task creation, and you'll be set to go with your newly created task within Zoho CRM. By understanding and utilizing each field effectively, you're well on your way to leveraging Zoho CRM's full potential in task management. Thanks for following along, and here's to a more organized workday.